Salve discipuli. Today is your last assignment for 7th grade Latin, so that's exciting. What you'll see in today's assignment is more verb review. So I'm going to go over a few of those real quickly with you so that you understand how to get started. So for verbs, when you're parsing, that's the exercise you're going to be doing today. You'll need to have either your reference sheet or if you need to use your book, pages 249 and 250 have all the endings listed for you. So you can also check there if you need to. In your exercise for today, you'll see a list of Latin verbs with different endings on them. And then you'll need to tell me what person, number, tense they are, and then translate them. So we're going to go over what those all mean real quickly so that you kind of remember how to do that, and then you can get started. The first one I have done for you, and we're going to go over that one as an example. And the first one you'll see in the exercise is Bobis. So what I want you to do for these is first find the ending. So when you're looking for the ending, you want to make sure that you're not just looking for an OST, MUST, ISNT ending. You want to make sure that there's not a bo or a ba in front of it because that's going to change the tense. So you're going to want to make sure that you circle or look for the whole ending. So for Bobis, you might be tempted to say that, oh, it has an S ending, which it does, but if you look further back, it actually has a BIS ending, and that's going to change your tense. But first, listed is person, so you're going to want to put a first, second, or third, depending on which row your ending is in. Bis happens to be in the second row of the future tense endings. Bobis, bit, it's the second one. So you'll say second person. Number refers to whether it is singular or plural. So for Bobis, it's in the left side, left-hand column. So that would be singular. You would say singular for number. Tense, we found the bis ending in the future tense section, and then so translation, we want to make sure that we have the pronoun associated with second person singular, and then make sure we add a will for future. So the translation would be second person singular is you, will for future, and then probo is just approve. So you will approve is the translation. So for all of these, you're going to want to make sure that you translate the tense correctly. So for present tense, it's just normal. Imperfect tense, remember we use was or were to translate it with. Future, obviously we just did one, is will. And then perfect is just the simple past. So normally we would add an ed on the end of our verb. And that's pretty much it. And that'll be it for your 7th grade Latin. So again, if you have any questions or need any help at all, hopefully this is a simple exercise to wrap it all up and be done. So you guys have done a great job. I'm really proud of you all for how hard you've worked and the work that you've put in. You've done a really, really good job. So congratulations. Enjoy your last exercise, and I will see you guys later. Salve discipuli.